PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is our Weather Extreme video for Friday morning, the 6th of June. Another pleasant summer morning. It will be another hot summer afternoon today. Let's go out the window this morning, and boy, that looks nice. Tuscaloosa's camera there looking east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Got a case of severe clear. Getting some daylight now at 5 o'clock in the morning. Pretty much the same scene there from Birmingham, looking east from the top of the Daniel Building. And from Cullman, down below, the water of Lake Katoma early this morning. Here's our satellite picture, the water vapor imagery, and you can see our decaying line of storms running from the upper Midwest down into Texas. And around here, we've got the ridge holding steady, and that should keep all of that north of here. There's a look at the convection this morning, and again, it's really decayed a good bit since last night. The storms will be approaching Milwaukee and Chicago later this morning. There's a look back at the storm reports from yesterday, and there were 35 tornado reports up in that high-risk area, but to my knowledge, no major damage in an urban area. Seems like most of the tornadoes were out over open country, and 225 reports of high wind all the way from Texas up into Iowa and Illinois. How about that? Today, there's a slight risk of severe weather from near Tulsa up into the Great Lakes. That would include St. Louis and Chicago and Indianapolis. Tomorrow, Saturday, we got a slight risk from Omaha up to the UP of Michigan, and on day 3, which is Sunday, slight risk for about the same area from near Amarillo up to Grand Rapids, and that includes Kansas City and Chicago. And they are just being hammered up there, and of course that's where the heaviest rain will be. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of 4 to 6 inches in spots from Oklahoma City up to Milwaukee. And a little sliver here, just a sliver of green, with any widely scattered showers that can crank up early next week. And this, by the way, is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Look at the modeling today, the 594 circle, the dreaded 594 circle. Be glad this is not August. But we've got good soil moisture, and accordingly, temperatures have been peaking in the low 90s, and we'll forecast low to mid-90s today. And again, the shortwave rotates well to the north. Tomorrow, the ridge holds, still got the 594 circle. Sunday, the heights drop a little bit, so we might see the numbers go down from 93 to 92. Don't know if you'll notice it. Again, the storm track up north Monday of next week. Pretty much the same story, a little shortwave passing north of the state, and it kind of dents the ridge a little bit. And this is suggesting we might need to mention a few widely scattered showers or storms Monday and Tuesday. Pretty much the same deal. Hot, maybe a few widely scattered showers or storms. And quite frankly, Wednesday, the ridge kind of rebuilds as a new trough develops out over the Rockies. Thursday of next week, again, it's ridging. There's not much of a weakness there. Down below that, a little moisture, but not much. And then Friday, a week from today, that ridge still looks strong. So the hope of widespread rain not looking good for the next week. And then on Saturday the 15th, by golly, that ridge is still there. You know, the model had been really projecting kind of a breakdown about mid-month. Well, let's go out 2 more days, and it does break down finally on the 17th. And that would suggest a decaying surface cold front coming down here with a pretty decent chance of scattered showers and storms. Into the forecast period, June 21st. Uh-oh. Heat bubble right over Alabama. And that just looks old, hot, dry, and nasty. But again, we've not seen that before. We'll just watch for modeling and see how that plays out in coming days. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.